Hello, this is our 45th lecture. This is about the simple past tense. In this lecture, we will see the usage of the simple past tense. At first, we will say that to use the simple past tense, we use the following adverbs. Which are the adverbs? They are yesterday, last year, a day before yesterday, one day ago, last week, last year, once, long ago. These are the adverbs, and these adverbs are always used in the sentences of the simple past tense. And these adverbs always show us the simple past sentences. The simple past tense is used to say or to write or to describe the certain matters at certain times. Because when we go into the past tense or when we go into the simple past tense, then we definitely say that there is the certain time, there is the certain period, there is the certain situation, and in such certain situation or the period, everything happens in the present tense, and this present tense goes into the past tense, and that's why every past tense tells us about the certain matters, about the certain stories, happenings which happen at the certain time. And that's why we use the adverbs like yesterday, last year, a day before, like this. Just we discussed these adverbs. The simple past tense is used. How is this simple past tense used? We will see some rules. The simple past tense is used here to narrate things, to narrate matters which are taken place in the past. Just we discussed, or just I discussed with you that everything happens in the present tense, and this present tense goes into the past tense, and this past tense becomes the simple past tense. And in this way, the grammar says that the matters happen in the past tense are discussed in the simple past tense. So for example, we will say that we went into the market yesterday. We went into the market yesterday. This is the sentence which is given in the simple past tense, and this sentence is showing us the certain happened thing in the past tense. And so the sentence is we went into the market yesterday. So in this sentence we will see, or we will analyze that we is the subject of this sentence, went is the past verb of this sentence, and into the market is the object of this sentence, and yesterday is the additional word or extra words or complementary word, or we can say this is the complement that is called the adverb. So this yesterday has come there as the adverb. It is working there as the complementary word. Then next we will see that the simple past tense is used without the adverbs also. Just we saw that there are some adverbs. Which adverbs show the simple past tense? And we will take again some examples. Yesterday, last year, or day before. Like this, there are the adverbs. And these adverbs are available, and these adverbs always show us the simple past tense. But now, this is the rule that the simple past tense is used without the adverbs also. How? See the example. For example, he taught his students. He taught his students. It means that he has done the activity of teaching to his students, and so he says that, or we say that, he taught his student or students. So in this sentence, he is the subject, taught is the verb in the past tense, that is the past verb, his students is the object. And in this sentence we have seen that, or we see that there is no adverb, and so it is very clear that the simple past tense is used without the adverbs also. Means it is here we can say that the simple past tense is used with the help of the adverbs and without the adverbs. Then we will go to the next point. The simple past tense is used to narrate a habit. Now see, there are subjects: I, we, you, they, he, she, it, or boys, girls, a boy, girl, like this. There are many subjects, and these subjects always narrate a habit, or these subjects have always the habits. So if we want to discuss the habits in the past, then we use the simple past tense, or we can write, we can describe the regular activity in the past tense. Regular activity means this activity happens regularly. So this is called the regular activity, and so a regular activity in the past is also discussed in the simple past tense. So what is that regular activity? We will see that regular activity with the help of used to. Used to means what? USEDTO means used to or used to. This is the helping verb, and with the help of this helping verb we show the simple past tense. It is very clear that the used to is used instead of the simple past tense, and this used to also shows the habitual past, means some habits in the past. So for example, we will take we will say, he used to play in youth. He used to play in youth. It means that this gentleman had a habit of playing in the youth. Means when he was a youth, when he was young, he was playing, and that's why his habit is here being discussed in this way, that he used to play in youth. Means when he was a young person, he was playing. So he used to play. Used to play is the verb. This verb is telling here the simple past tense. So it is very clear that used to shows the simple past tense, means the habit in the past tense. Here we will analyze this sentence properly, that here he is the subject, used to is the helping verb or modal auxiliary, then play is the main verb, that is we can say, then in youth is the extra word or the helping word or the complementary phrase which is helping the sentence to get the proper meaning. And used to play here is the phrase or is the simple past tense with the help of the used to, which is showing the old past. Old past means the story happened in the past tense. So here we can say that used to is the helping verb, is the modal auxiliary, which shows the habits in the past. That is called the simple past. So we can say that the used to shows the simple past. Here we have finished today's lecture. Again, I will request you that there is the corona outside, and I hope that you will not go outside. You will be safe in houses. Thank you very much.